Okay, so I'm trying to modify the clock spring so that it can work with the NRG hub that I've got on the aftermarket steering wheel. What I basically have done is trim the connector all the way flush to where it can still clip into the body of the clock spring. I soldered the horn wires to the pins because I've chopped the connector off. Then I shortened these tabs that go into where the stock steering wheel would turn the clock spring left and right. And instead, this is a little wet, I rinsed the shavings off. Instead, I drilled 2 holes in the NRG hub in order to allow these pegs to fit in there. Was able to trim that connector down and put enough of a dimple in the back of the NRG hub. Now I'm just going to torque the steering wheel center nut to 30 foot-pounds, and I've already tested continuity to make sure the clock spring hadn't broken. So basically I put a lead here and a lead here and check for continuity through the clock spring, so I know that's good. And everything feels pretty smooth, but I won't know for sure until the steering wheel is on. Got the horn wires hooked up, tested the horn. Now I'm putting the hub back together. I still have to put the horn wires to the steering wheel button, to the horn button. But that was 2 hours of hacking on a brand new NRG hub and the old clock spring, but now my turn signals cancel and the horn works. So I'll call that a win. All right, nice, it works. And the turn signals cancel. Excellent. Quick update, thank you very much.